Scientists have been amazed to discover an ancient and nearly naked black hole at the very furthest reaches of the universe. This ancient void dates back to 600 to 700 million years after the Big Bang, but may have been formed in the very earliest moments of the universe. Using the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST researchers have discovered that this strange object contains 50 million times as much mass as our Sun. That is far larger than any black hole should be so early in the universe, sparking suggestions that this could be an elusive primordial black hole. Black holes form when massive stars collapse and explode at the end of their lives. However, primordial black holes may have formed directly out of the swirling sea of matter right at the beginning of time. If this theory is proven correct, it could change everything scientists believe about the formation of the cosmos and the fundamental laws of physics. Co-author Professor Roberto Maialino of the University of Cambridge told the Daily Mail, "In this scenario, black holes would be the first entities formed in the universe, well before the formation of the first stars and first galaxies." But while the discovery of this ancient black hole is exciting, there is still a lot that scientists don't understand about it. Here is everything you need to know about the recently discovered primordial black hole. What exactly is a black hole? Black holes are regions of space with a gravitational pull so strong that not even light can escape their grasp. They are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives and have a radius known as the event horizon, which is the point of no return. Once anything crosses the event horizon, it can never escape the black hole's gravitational pull. Black holes are also incredibly dense, meaning that they pack a huge amount of mass into a relatively small space. This density creates a gravitational field that can distort space and time around them, causing strange and sometimes even dangerous effects. Despite their negative reputation, black holes play an important role in the universe and are essential for the formation of galaxies and the evolution of stars. How do we know this black hole is ancient? The age of this black hole was determined by measuring the redshift of the light coming from the galaxy. Redshift is a measure of how much the light waves of distant objects have stretched over time due to the expansion of the universe. By analyzing the redshift, scientists can calculate how far away the object is and therefore how long the light has taken to reach us. In the case of this black hole, the light coming from the galaxy has been stretched by a factor of 16, indicating that the object is very far away and that the light has taken billions of years to reach us. This means that the black hole is also ancient, dating back to around 600 to 700 million years after the Big Bang. Why is this black hole called nearly naked? The reason why this black hole is being called nearly naked is because it does not appear to have a large cloud of glowing hot gas around it, which is known as an accretion disk. Most supermassive black holes have these disks of material, which is heated to millions of degrees by the intense gravity of the black hole. This makes them visible to astronomers as they emit huge amounts of light and energy. However, this particular black hole does not seem to have a bright accretion disk, which makes it more difficult to detect and study. It is possible that the black hole is relatively isolated, which is why it is not surrounded by a large cloud of gas. Alternatively, the gas may be present but not emitting much light, making it difficult to see. How big is this black hole? The size of a black hole is defined by the radius of its event horizon, which is the point of no return for anything that crosses it. For this newly discovered black hole, the event horizon is estimated to be around 240 billion kilometers in radius, which is equivalent to 8 trillion kilometers. To put this into perspective, the radius of our Sun is just 695,000 kilometers, meaning that this black hole is around 35,000 times larger than our Sun. The mass of a black hole is related to its size, as more mass generally means a larger size. However, it's important to note that black holes can have different masses without necessarily having different sizes. In this case, the mass of the black hole is estimated to be around 50 million times the mass of our Sun. What makes this black hole special? What makes this black hole particularly special is its age, and the fact that it may be a primordial black hole. As mentioned earlier, most black holes are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. However, some scientists believe that black holes could have formed in the early universe during the Big Bang. These primordial black holes are thought to have been created in the first few minutes after the Big Bang, when the universe was extremely hot and dense. The exact mechanism by which they would have formed is still unknown, but it is hypothesized that they could have resulted from the collapse of a region of space containing a high density of matter. Primordial black holes could also have played a significant role in the early development of the universe. Some scientists believe that they may have served as seeds for the formation of galaxies and galaxy clusters, providing a starting point for the growth of large-scale structures in the universe. Additionally, the study of primordial black holes could provide insights into the nature of dark matter, which is a mysterious substance that makes up a significant portion of the universe's mass, but is invisible to telescopes and other detection methods. Probing the existence and properties of primordial black holes is one of the key goals of modern astronomy and cosmology, and the discovery of this ancient black hole brings us one step closer to understanding the origins of these enigmatic objects. Will the James Webb Space Telescope help us learn more about this black hole? The James Webb Space Telescope is a powerful new telescope that is designed to detect infrared light. This type of light is ideal for studying objects that are very far away because it can travel through vast distances of space without being scattered or absorbed by dust. The JWST has already made some incredible discoveries about the early universe, including the detection of some of the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. Scientists are now using the JWST to study this newly discovered black hole in more detail to determine its age, mass, and whether it is a primordial black hole. One of the ways that scientists will study the black hole is by observing the light that passes through its accretion disk. By analyzing the light, they hope to learn more about the composition of the disk and the material that is being pulled into the black hole. Another method that scientists will use is gravitational lensing. This technique involves studying how the gravity of the black hole distorts the light from objects that are behind it. By analyzing the distorted light, scientists can learn more about the mass and size of the black hole. Overall, the James Webb Space Telescope is an incredibly advanced piece of technology that is helping scientists unlock some of the deepest mysteries of the universe. Its ability to detect infrared light and study objects that are very far away makes it an ideal tool for investigating this newly discovered black hole and other phenomena that occurred in the early universe. As scientists continue to analyze the data that the JWST is collecting, we can hope that we will learn more about the formation and evolution of black holes and the universe as a whole. What happens next? Scientists are excited to continue studying this black hole and hope that the James Webb Space Telescope will be able to provide more information about its age, mass, and composition. Further analysis of the data collected by the JWST will be conducted to better understand this phenomenon and its implications for our understanding of the universe. Scientists are eager to uncover more details about this black hole and its potential significance in the study of astrophysics and cosmology. As we continue to explore the vastness of space, it is amazing to think about the incredible discoveries that await us. From ancient black holes to the mysteries of the early universe. There is still so much that we don't know and so much to discover. But with the help of advanced telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, we are sure to make even more incredible discoveries in the years to come. Who knows what other secrets the universe is hiding, but with the thirst for knowledge and the power of technology on our side, we will continue to explore and uncover the mysteries of the cosmos. Now you need to watch Are We Living in a Simulation? Philosophy proves it. Or have a look at Why Multiverses Exist. Quantum Physics.